Hi, do you ever had a situation that you want to arrange a meeting with someone and then you have a never-ending loop saying, writing emails, hey, when are you free? Okay, I'm at 12, and you, no, I cannot on 12, and John also cannot on 12. Okay, how about 2? Yes, I am on 2, good, but John is not. And then never-ending story, those thousands of emails just to arrange a one single meeting. You know what? There is a great tool for that. But first, cheers. So I love to meet people. I love to meet them online. I love to meet them offline in different offices, and I've been sitting in such nice chairs. But before you meet, you have to find the time. You have to schedule that meeting. And for that, as I mentioned, there's a great tool which is called Find Time.
I can't stay.
And today we are with Stefan Schöller.
Hello. Yeah. Hi.
Stefan is business unit manager at Reply. He's my friend of mine since couple days, I would say, or weeks.
So,
yeah,
1 week now. Yeah.
Exactly. We already had couple meetings together, right?
Yeah.
And 10, yeah, maybe online, offline, here in the office, or Skype for Business, stuff like that. And as I mentioned in the beginning, the main problem we have with our clients, I would say, or other people, to arrange a meeting.
Yeah, exactly.
And I mentioned in the beginning, there is a great tool for that. The tool is called Find Time, and it's simply a plugin to Outlook. So have a look how it works. So firstly, you have to install the plugin. You go over here, oh my god, I'm not in focus. So you have to add an add-in, and it pop-ups a window. Then you have to choose from the list. Okay, let us scroll a little bit. And Stefan, do you see it?
Not yet.
Not yet. Maybe because it's installed by me. So, well, just type here find time. And here we go. There it is. Just simply get it, or installed by me is hinzugefügt. In German calls added. And when you already add it, then you can use it from the browser or from Outlook. So in our case, we love Outlook. We love Microsoft. We love Outlook, right? So we show it how it works in Outlook. So in Outlook, you can just reply to someone by adding a poll. Well, actually, Stefan, do you know Doodle?
Yeah, Doodle, of course, because always, even with my friends, we use the Doodle tool, and I think everyone knows it.
Yeah, and Finding Time is Doodle for Office 365 mail. Will be a better way.
Okay.
Okay, so what we are doing, we are creating a new email, and I want to have a meeting with Stefan. So I write Stefan Schöller, and one more person. I know I have DevTest account on Limcore, and this is very interesting. DevTest is another tenant, and Stefan is in the same tenant of Cluster Reply. So we have our attendees added, and now we just need to add a new meeting poll, right? So we click over here, make Find Time, and change the duration to, for example, 1 hour in work hours. We can also meet in the weekend, but we are going to talk about a project. So we choose, I know, how about Tuesday? And on Tuesday, there is very interesting stuff. So as you can see here, it recognizes in scope of attendees. So we have 3 people there. It is Stefan, Are you still with me?
Yes, of course, of course.
So we have Stefan and a test account from another tenant. So if there is someone who is already added to our Active Directory, so actually if we are speaking also with clients who are externals, but they're added to our Active Directory, so I know, maybe added to Teams or any working group, anything, SharePoint, exactly, they are already in our tenant, right? Yeah, so we will also be able to see their availability, I suppose, and those who aren't added in our Active Directory, they are just gray, so we don't know when should we arrange the meeting. Okay, so we choose 3 times, maybe 9, 13 and 16, and another day, how about Wednesday? So 29th of August. Okay, everything is free, so as fast as possible. How about 9, because it's a good time to speak. What do you think about 9?
Perfect.
9 is good, so we'll just click next and then just insert to email, and actually we're almost good to go. The only thing what we need is to send it to people and see what happens. Now we are moving to Stefan's surface. And as you can see here, what we got, okay, there is another confidential email, so we don't want to see it, but we have a new email just came to Stefan. You are invited to a meeting. Stefan, what are you going to do?
Probably I'm supposed to click on select options.
Yeah, good idea. How about that?
There we go. And then it's opening the browser, and now from here in the browser I have options to choose if I can join the meeting for a certain point of time, and I can also choose if I prefer a certain point of time, because usually everyone has a preferred point of time for a particular meeting. So for me it's really good to do directly after I'm back from lunch, and yeah, I click there. Okay, it's then automatically yes, but at 9 it's also fine for me, and on Wednesday I say okay, 9:30 is good, and then you say okay, this one is no option for me, this one's no option, and this one's no option.
Yeah,
okay,
we are totally sure there's no go, so yeah, just submit it. So okay, so we got votes from Stefan. So now we need also add the vote from another account. So we go into our mail dev test, and we have here meeting about new project from Marek. And Stefan is also invited today. So same thing, select options, so simple, same story. So we see here Stefan already gave us a feedback, and I'm also good on 13, on 9:30, on those days, but I actually see Stefan said okay, 13 is preferable for him, for me also works. So normally I think the algorithm should work like that it will just choose exactly that time which is best for all of us, and as any of those dates is not preferable for me for that account after, it's totally egal in German. Okay, we submit. Then I suppose that the find time engine will just arrange a meeting for that particular day, where for Stefan was the best day. So let us see if it happens.
Yeah, perfect for me then.
Yeah, perfectly for Stefan. We make everything to make Stefan happy.
I am already.
Yeah, who wouldn't be working in such a great environment? Okay, so it happens a lot. It happens a lot. Something in our Outlook, we receive a lot of emails. So we have 4 new notifications. So the first notification was okay, just a confirmation a couple minutes ago that we made an invite. We made a meeting in fine time. So the second was about from Stefan, I suppose. Yes, it was an information that attendee has voted. Stefan, you voted. I know it. Yeah, and the second notification just following the workflow was okay, another attendee has voted. Show the image, and I see okay, the second account dev test, And let us see, I just bet that the meeting should be created on 13 because we are all green, and for Stefan it was preferable. Let us open the last notification. And yeah, 13! Perfect! And what is also very, very interesting here, it is generated a meeting, and also the invitation for Skype for Business is already built in. Have a look at it. So we check our calendar now again, and Stefan, what do you see in my calendar?
Yeah, I see here pretty well that the appointment is already scheduled. Tuesday, 28, 13 o'clock, exactly as I wished, with my preferred answer.
And we open it up and have a look. There is already join Skype meeting in it.
Perfect.
Isn't it just brilliant? Stefan, what do you think? What would you say to our clients to encourage them to schedule the meetings in more productive way?
So first of all, I would ask my friends to move away from Doodle to this new solution with an Outlook, because it's really handy for us. And all our clients I can also encourage to move to the Microsoft Cloud and use this kind of new technology.
I think also here very interesting thing that, have a look, if you as a company already use Office 365, it is just built in, it is just out of the box. Just simply start using it and just show it to your employees how to use it, and you're good to go. Or the best practice, just start using it. If you one time, I just had that experience when I once send an invitation through Find Time to one client. Oh, you're getting close.
Lockdown of the building.
And the client started also using Find Time, and I find it just perfect. But Stefan, last but not least, I think we will talk about in another episode.
Okay.
What we'll be showing is arranging a meeting in next level, and the next level is to use bot. Imagine the situation that you just say egal to Cortana, to Amazon Alexa, or you write in the chat, I need a meeting with Stefan and Kai-Uwe in next 3 days for 1 hour, and make it automatically just Find Time. Wouldn't be that brilliant?
Yeah, of course. I would use it. So let's see if it works.
Yeah. So see you in the next episode. Stefan, thank you very much for cooperation.
Please. Yeah.
And see you next time.
Ciao, ciao.
So we were playing a lot with our lovely platform, which is
Find Time.
Find Time, and we found time for tonight, whatever we say, afterwards. And we talked a lot, and we decided, okay, the meeting must be a little bit productive, of course, but also funny. And we found something very, very exciting. Let us show you.
Let's go. Half pipe ping pong. 1-0. Whoa! I think it's a really great toy, and maybe I will buy it for my garden.
Cool idea. And you must invite me. We find time for playing the ping pong. See you next time.
Bye bye.